Welcome everyone! We have a simple yet invaluable task ahead in today's tutorial. I will be guiding you through the process of inserting text on Squarespace. Squarespace is a versatile platform, and understanding the basics, like inserting text, is critical for enhancing your page's appeal and content visibility. Let's dive right in. We'll start off by entering the edit mode. Look for the page you intend to modify, and once you have it, hit the Edit button located in the top left corner of the page. Now you're in the edit mode, ready to implement changes and introduce new content. Remember, it's always a good practice to create a backup of your original content before making significant modifications. Next, we need to add a text block to your page. This is where you will insert your text. Look for the plus symbol or an insert point on the page and give it a click. This will open up a block menu with a range of options. From this block menu, find and select the text option. This will create a new text block on the page that's ready for your words. Now that you have the text block in place, it's time to insert the text. This step is quite straightforward. Just click inside the text block you just created to activate the typing mode. As soon as you do this, you can start typing your desired text directly into the block. This could be anything from a captivating story, a snippet of information, to a persuasive call to action. Ensure the text aligns with your page's theme and resonates with your target audience. Once you're satisfied with your inserted text, it's time to save your changes. At the top of the screen, you'll notice two buttons, Done and Save. Clicking either of these will ensure that all the changes you have made are stored effectively. This is a vital step. Skipping this could result in losing all your inputs. So always make sure to click Done or Save right after you complete your edits. And voila, you have successfully inserted text on Squarespace. It's a simple process, but sometimes mastering the basics can make a big difference in enhancing your page and engaging with your audience better. So take this knowledge, play around, and customize your Squarespace page to reflect your unique style and message. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy editing!